Tired of getting tangled in cables while doing some intense gaming? Well, it might be time to go wireless. But I get it. Finding a proper wireless headset that ticks all the boxes isn't easy. After all, you'll want clear sound, lag-free connectivity, long battery life, and comfort all at once. That's why today, we're looking into the top 5 best wireless gaming headsets in today's market. So let's get started. Starting our list at number 5, we have the Corsair HS55 Wireless, which proves that you don't need to break the bank to get a solid gaming headset. This budget-friendly option brings some impressive features to the table while keeping things lightweight and comfortable. Let's talk about connectivity first. The HS55 gives you 2 ways to connect. There's the reliable 2.4 GHz wireless connection for gaming, plus Bluetooth capability when you want to use it with other devices. The battery life is quite generous too, lasting up to 24 hours on a single charge, so you won't have to worry about frequent recharging during those marathon gaming sessions. One of the standout features is its incredibly light design, weighing just 274 grams. It's one of the most comfortable headsets you can wear for extended periods. The sound quality is decent for the price point, featuring 50mm neodymium drivers and Dolby Audio 7.1 surround sound support for PC and Mac users. PlayStation 5 players will appreciate the Tempest 3D audio compatibility as well. The microphone is pretty straightforward. It's omnidirectional and features a convenient flip-to-mute function. While the mic quality isn't going to blow anyone away, it gets the job done for regular gaming communication. There might be some muddiness in noisy game environments, but considering the price point, the HS55 delivers good value for budget-conscious gamers. Next, we have the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5X Wireless, a mid-range headset that brings some remarkable features to enhance your gaming experience. And the most notable of them is the clever dual wireless connectivity system, which is really a plus at this price point. You can seamlessly connect to 2 devices at the same time using either 2.4 GHz wireless or Bluetooth. There's even a handy button that lets you switch between connections quickly, perfect for those who like to multitask between gaming and taking calls or listening to music from another device. The Arctis Nova 5X also boasts an impressive battery life, offering 50 to 60 hours of use on a single charge. That's more than enough for several days of intense gaming sessions. The microphone design is also well thought out, featuring a fully retractable design that keeps it out of the way when you're not using it. Sound-wise, it delivers clear and detailed audio through its 40mm dynamic drivers, though bass enthusiasts might find it a bit lacking in the lower frequencies. While you might notice some distortion in the lower mid-range and slight compression, it handles virtual surround sound remarkably well. Besides, the SteelSeries Sonar software adds another layer of customization to your audio experience, letting you fine-tune the sound to your liking. If you put aside those minor audio limitations, the combination of comfort, exceptional battery life, and versatile connectivity easily makes this headset a solid choice for serious gamers. Coming in at number 3, we have the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro, a premium wireless gaming headset that stands out in its microphone department. Let me tell you, if you're someone who spends a lot of time in Discord calls or streaming, this headset deserves your attention. The detachable 9.9mm condenser microphone is simply outstanding, and it comes with both internal and external pop filters for crystal clear voice quality. The Blackshark also comes with dual connectivity options like the Arctis Nova 5X, but in terms of stability, this one balances out things far more brilliantly. You can connect through both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.2, though you'll need to switch between them manually. When it comes to battery life, this thing is a champion. We're talking about more than 70 hours of gaming on a single charge. Sound-wise, the 50mm drivers deliver solid audio performance, especially after tweaking the EQ settings in Razer's software. The mid-range frequencies might be a bit pronounced out of the box, but nothing you can't adjust to your liking. Now, the price tag is definitely on the higher side, and some users might find it disappointing that the ear cups don't swivel, while a few users also raised concerns about the durability of the steel sliders. But if you're after exceptional microphone quality and battery life that seems to last forever, the Blackshark V2 Pro is definitely well worth your consideration. Taking our second spot is the Audeze Maxwell, and I have to be upfront. This is one of the priciest gaming headsets you'll find on the market, but there's a good reason for that premium price tag. This headset really stands out with its impressive 90mm planar magnetic drivers, which deliver some of the most natural and detailed sounds you'll hear in a gaming headset. The connectivity options are pretty comprehensive. You get both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth, plus traditional 3.5mm and USB-C connections for when you want want to go wired. Just keep in mind that the headset automatically switches between wireless modes without you having to do anything and tends to favor Bluetooth over Wi-Fi. When it comes to battery life, this thing is a powerhouse, offering more than 80 hours of use on a single charge. The microphone setup is quite versatile too. You get a detachable boom mic with a noise filter, plus built-in microphones in the ear cups as a backup. And when it comes to sound quality, the Audeze Maxwell absolutely beats them all. The wide frequency response range of 10 to 50,000 Hz creates an incredibly detailed soundstage. While it's primarily tuned for gaming, it handles music beautifully with some EQ adjustments. There is one notable drawback though. At 490 grams, this isn't exactly a lightweight headset. You'll definitely feel it during those longer gaming sessions. But if you're after top-tier audio quality and don't mind the weight and price tag, the Audeze Maxwell delivers an exceptional audio experience that's hard to match in. And taking the crown at number 1 is the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless, and let me tell you, this is the cream of the crop when it comes to wireless gaming headsets. Yes, it comes with a premium price tag, but the features you get are simply remarkable. Let's start with what makes this headset truly unique, its innovative battery system. It comes with 2 hot-swappable batteries, each providing 18 to 22 hours of use. This means you can keep gaming indefinitely by simply switching batteries whenever needed. The connectivity options are rock solid, featuring both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.0 capabilities, the fastest for any setting. The headset really connects in a snitch, leaving absolutely no room for waiting annoyance. And when it comes to sound quality, this headset really delivers to the fullest, offering exceptional bass response and crystal clear audio across all frequencies. Then, there's also the SteelSeries GG app that lets you fine-tune your audio experience with custom EQ settings and game chat mix controls. And its active noise cancellation is simply outworldly. It helps create an immersive gaming environment by blocking out external distractions to whatever degree you'll ever desire. The microphone is fully retractable, though it's worth noting that the audio quality is slightly fuzzy compared to some competitors. What really sets the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless apart is how it brings together all these premium features in a comfortable, well-designed package. While the price point might make you think twice, if you're looking for the absolute best wireless gaming headset with all the bells and whistles, this is definitely it. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video.